So in this session, let's discuss about tax master data, SAP SD and S4 HANA. So everywhere, like, if you take inbound or whatever you say, if you take outbound also, okay, there is one transaction called FTXP. SD folks need not worry about this, but at the same time, you have to worry about this. Why? Because FTXP is quite useful when you have certain projects, tax specific projects will be there. You have to take help of your FICO consultants to maintain this master data, or else in support level, if they wrongly maintain any tax code master data, you have to double check it. So tax code is the key integration between your SD or S4 HANA ECC level, whatever you take the system. So it is closely integrating with tax posting with FICO module. So, but this is maintained by them. But after following the condition technique, okay, in a S4 system, let's take an example. Let me try to create a sales order. Okay, I will show you this one. So let me take this customer, tax master. So it is at 2 level, if you understand this. So let me enter one quantity. So come here, conditions. So your tax will be calculated always in net actually. So I have configured this tax condition type GWST. So in standard you have MWST, right? So this is at config level. So for this, okay, so let me try to show you. If I select this, okay, click on condition record, you can able to maintain. For example, this is at a domestic level, DE and tax classification. Okay, one is taxable. Okay, you are of this. So you can able to view. Okay, if I double click here, you can able to see this tax code is XA maintained. So how I maintain, let me show you. So FTXP is the transaction code. So if I press XA, okay, oh sorry, you have to give the country for whom you are maintaining tax code. Let's give the tax code. You can able to see this. This is the 10% it is got maintained. Okay. So now let's see, this is the 10%. Now if you come here, so if I click XB, I maintain 0%. In the similar way, if you would like to maintain a new one, either you can able to copy, you can able to create a new one. So suppose if I'm maintaining XC for one of the requirement, for example, COVID came, so tax has reduced to 5% or else it is 0. Okay. So this is actually practically I handled in one of my projects. I have created tax codes. I have done, configuration, covered specific requirements, output tax for covered situation in Europe. Okay. So tax type, this is what it is important. Okay. So let's see this. This is for your purchase orders. And at the time of doing Miro, you can able to select this, or else you can able to determine automatically your input tax, how we are determining. Okay. I'm selecting A. This is output tax. Press enter. So here I'm maintaining 5%. Okay. So this is for Germany. You can see this is the procedure, this is the tax type, and this is the tax code. If you click here, okay, if you give INT, you can able to see this is the tax account, okay, for tax codes. So this much minimum you should aware of this at master data level. Okay, let me save this. I have saved XC. So now let me go to PK11. So I have copied GWST in S4 HANA. I would like to show what are all the, what I would say, configuration behind in it. Okay, so if you suppose if requirement came, like you would like to calculate either markup, you are calculating markup in pricing. On top of it, you might have chances to calculate taxes. And if you go to Indian level also, you must be aware of that you have CGST, SGST, and IGST and all. You just know all these things actually. So then you should be ready in a position, like you have to copy the tax condition type, not only using the condition technique. You should be aware of that, FS side, how it is coordinating. So let's try to show you something here. So where I have done this. So if you'd like to check how you can able to do at a configuration level, okay, so these are the SD and S4 HANA courses at my side. So I have done a couple of new courses. This is SD, ECC, and S4 HANA Expert Advanced Pricing Concepts. Like, I have already holding one pricing course at basic level. So, and I have covered 6.5 hours. In this, you can able to learn, very clearly tax determination. Okay, this is one thing. So, I have done recently one course on stock transfer. Here, I got a couple of errors at the time of posting Miro and SD billing. Otherwise, everything is fine. Okay, if you are quite new and if you are challenging pricing in your real time, so this is one course for rebates completely. And apart from that, this is SAP SD complete pricing concepts. This is almost 8 hours I have discussed actually here, total pricing using condition technique and the various kinds of field by field explanation for condition type. And you can able to see this SD course 72 hours. There are the other courses as well as for S4 HANA. When it comes to our topic, GWST. Okay, if I press GWST, so the country is DE. Okay, so I'm giving domestic level. So it is my customer is taxable. Okay, so let's come here. My material is also taxable. Okay, so if I give the 5% is immediately ask, boss, if I would like to post FI, where is the tax process? Tax code in this position, tax ID is invalid. So you can see XC what you have defined. Okay. So now for customer, we have given this is the key combination. Okay. So probably I can take this way also. So like I can take this off tax. Okay. So if I maintain, so probably I just don't want to do this. This I can utilize for COVID. This is full tax anyhow, 10% it is there. Let me delete this. Okay. So I'm just maintaining off tax. Okay. So let's go to the material master MM02. Okay. So let's go to this place. Okay. So let me try to. So here my tax GWST is there, right? Below. I'm just trying to do this one is second. Okay. So that means that is off tax I would like to get applied. Let's try to check this in sales order. See, once you press enter, you can able to see this. So if you come to the billing document, you can able to see the tax indicators. Okay, this is if you'd like to change manually, you can able to change. There is something called European triangle. If that scenario is not linked with this, okay. So let's come to the accounting. Okay, go back. So let's give the material. So go to the conditions. So let's try to check. See, 5% it is got applied. If I double click here, so whatever the new tax master data I have maintained. So this is, see, you will get a lot of errors. So if you don't configure tax properly, okay. So this a condition base is your net value. On top of it, it is got calculated. This is how you can able to maintain your tax master data, and you can able to test this one. Let's save this. Let me try to do the delivery. Okay. Probably you might get some errors for posting accounting. So let's try to make it. This is March then. Like I click MMPV. So let me try to open the period 2023. Let's execute this. Okay, it's converted. Now go to VL01N. So let me try to give somewhere 5th March. Let's go to the picking quickly. I will do the picking. So postcodes issue. So now let's go to VF01. Okay, press enter. So double click here, go to the conditions. You can able to see your GWST, right? Let's save this. So document saved. Why I'm generating, I would like to show that accounting document. Okay, so let's click here. So you can see output tax with this account, it is got applied. So once you settle down, it will be posted to respective accounts. Okay, what is this? 50 means this is a credit entry. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. If you are not at subscribed my Udemy courses, you can subscribe to enhance your knowledge. This is 176 lectures on SD. It will be like revision for you. If you are not introduced to real time how to write a functional specification here, custom logic plus each and every section I clearly explain. It will be helpful to you if you are getting into the projects actually. Okay, you can get into my courses if you have doubt on stock transfer. I have done in ECC level, and I have done one new course at S4 HANA 2020 also. Thank you very much. Have a great day.